Start with this realization. Money. It's a necessity, an instrument, a goal. But the question is, how does one procure it? A variety of ways are available, hemmed in only by your creativity and tenacity. First off, have a look at the entrepreneurial landscape. Launch a venture, peddle a product, or offer a service. Indeed, it's a tough route, but the returns can be significant. Next up, we have the stock market. It's not an exclusive domain of finance gurus. With a bit of legwork and a willingness to gamble, you can become a part of this grand financial ballet. Real estate, it's not only about securing a dwelling, it's about investment, flipping, and renting properties. Do not disregard investing in yourself either. Boost your competencies and acumen. Freelance services, advising, mentoring. You possess valuable contributions to offer. Finally, passive income. From authoring a novel to birthing a blog, it's all about maximizing your earnings, even when you're offline. There you go, a concise walkthrough into the realm of financial gains. It's important to keep in mind that the focus is not merely on the finish line, but the voyage itself. So plunge in, embrace uncertainties, and transform your dreams into actuality. The universe of wealth generation awaits your arrival.